मेरे पास गाड़ी है, बंगला है, lakhs of rupees है, but I am frustrated from within. I am pissed off from within. I am emotionally not balanced. मेरे पैसा कुछ काम का नहीं है. पैसा होने के बावजूद भी I am frustrated. My emotional intelligence, my emotional quotient will decide whether I am peaceful, I am happy, or I am angry and beggar from within. जब मैं मेरे घर जाता हूं ना, मैं मेरे घर को क्यों प्यार करता हूं? मेरे घर की दीवार है, पत्थर की दीवारें है, मैं पत्थर से प्यार करता हूं. एक ईंट से घर नहीं बनता है, लेकिन ईंट की दीवार से घर बनता है. जब मेरे एक एक इमोशन की दीवार अगर हैप्पीनेस के पिलर के ऊपर नहीं खड़ी होगी, मैं मेरे घर जाऊंगा तो खुश नहीं रहूंगा. At the end of the day, human emotions are the home, are the residential address. जहां आप 80% ऑफ द क्वेश्चन से रहते हो वहां पे. नाउ डिसाइड करो आपके इमोशनल होम के अंदर क्या क्या चीज होनी चाहिए जो आपको पीस देगी, जो आपको हैप्पीनेस देगी, जो आपको सेटिस्फेक्शन देगी, जो आपको कंटेंट देगी. कैसे, क्या होना चाहिए? If I am successful and I am not fulfilled, it's a failure. If I love myself and I am not joyous, I don't love myself, I just pretend myself. Happiness will not touch me. A home of worry, a home of failure, a home of unjust, that is not the place where you will love to be there. Change yourself. You have created this unjust, you have created unhappiness, you have created anger, you have created frustration within you. Think over it. 1 minute, introspect, accept it. I need to change this thing. The moment you accept it, you will get a new energy. You are using your emotional power where? On Netflix, on Instagram, on Facebook. Where is this? This is all creating unjust for you. Think it over. Use your power, use your energy, use your emotions at right place. Then you will be able to connect from within, and then the happiness quotient will come out. Then you will feel that yes, I am feeling okay. आप तो सीलिंग पे लटकते रहते हो. And then you keep crying. गर्मी की सीजन है, आई एम गेटिंग टू हॉट, कम डाउन. सीलिंग पे लटकने से, ब्लेम करने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. कम डाउन, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट, रिलैक्स, एंड देन स्विच ऑन द फैन. देन यू विल बी एबल टू हैव अ ब्रीज. खाली कूल का पंखा लाने से हवा नहीं मिलेगी, आपको प्रोसेस करना पड़ेगा. You have everything. You have soil, you have seed, you have water, you have sunshine. Everything is there. Emotional process is not there. Then you say कि मेरी फसल अच्छी नहीं होती है, my crops are not good. I will have to change the season of my own emotions. Don't keep cribbing. Don't keep crying. Everybody on this planet. Wouldn't it be nice to upgrade your emotions? आपको क्या लगता है कौन अपग्रेड कर सकता है? आप ही कर सकते हो, मैं ही कर सकता. ये सब चीज तो होगा कैसे? खाली 2 कंपोनेंट अल्लाह ने, भगवान ने, जीसस ने 2 आंखें दी है. एक लव एंड अप्रिसिएशन, लव एंड अप्रिसिएशन, लव एंड अप्रिसिएशन, नथिंग डूइंग. Keep loving yourself, keep appreciating yourself. You will start appreciating the world. And this love and appreciation will take you up to the highest emotional quotient. You will come into gratitude. Life is too short to suffer. छोटी सी जिंदगी है. You will feel a painful situation. You will feel a pain in your body. You will feel a pain into your emotions. Pain is a part of life. Pain is telling you, change it. Pain is giving you that message. We keep crying after the pain. मुझे ये मेरी लाइफ में क्यों हो रहा है? Pain is giving you message. Take that message positively and shift yourself. And then once if you accept the pain and you start shifting, then pain turns into pleasure. That is what the component of life. Don't crib about your pain. Close your eyes and understand what is the message in the pain nature is giving you. Think it over. Come back to emotional happy home. Decorate your emotional happy home with your own emotions. And then you will be able to see the taste of life. Then you will be able to see the happy emotional quotient person in the life. This no one can do it. Huh? You have to decorate your home, emotional home by yourself. By positivity, by love, by appreciation, by gratitude. By default, you will come out of this crying. By default, you will come out of this pain. By default, you will enter into pleasure circle. Happy circle. And then you will be able to live your life positively. करके देखो. मैं भी कोशिश कर रहा हूं, आप भी कोशिश करो. You also be happy. I'll also be happy. This training you have to impart to your children. This training you will have to impart to your partner. This you will have very, very important word. Very important word. Coming sentence is a blast sentence. Train yourself, train your emotions to create a happy emotion in you, with you, within you. If you like my channel, subscribe it. Don't forget to bell the icon. Love you all. Love you all. Love you all.